Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off message previews on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Message previews can be helpful to have on so you can quickly glance at a message when your phone is locked. However, it can be embarrassing if you are around other people and glance at a message notification and your phone shows a private message preview. Someone could see. Follow the steps to learn how to turn message previews on or off. You do this in the Settings app, so open Settings and tap Notifications. Then tap Show Previews. You can now choose between Always when unlocked and Never. The option with the blue check to the right of it is the selected option. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.